welcome to the Phys Ed Home. We are going to do an activity called sliding plate relay. This will work on your balancing skills as well as build your upper body strength and endurance, okay? The equipment you need, since I don't have cones, I'm going to use a TV remote and a sneaker for my starting line, and I have them about 4 feet away. And then 8 to 10 feet across. Since I don't have cones, I'm using sock balls. Again, it's a pair of socks you roll up into a ball. And I have 2 of them 4 feet away as my other line. If you don't have a sock ball, you can use other items around the house for your cones. You also are going to need another pair of socks to make a sock ball. And you're going to need 2 paper plates. Okay? Now here's how you play. You start over by the starting line, you take both paper plates, you place them down on the ground, and you stand on top. Now, make sure you have a clean sock ball because you're going to place it on top of your head like this, okay? Have your hands out to keep your balance, but you're going to try to slide the paper plates by walking across to the other side without dropping the sock ball, like this, okay? Perfect. Once you make it to the other side, you can take the sock ball off the top of your head. You can put your feet back on. Now you have to get into a high plank position, and you need to take the sock ball and place it on your back. So it's on my back, I'm in a high plank position, and now, only using my arms, I'm going to try to go forward. Sliding my feet forward. Once the paper plate passes the line like this, I can stand up. I now received 1 point, and then I go again. If I'm going forward and the sock ball falls down, that's okay. Just pick it right back up and continue. But you can't hold the sock ball on top of your head. You have to keep your hands out. Okay? This is a 1-minute challenge. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
1 point. Oh! Ooh! Just made it. 4 points. I'm a little out of breath, and I certainly feel it in my arms. This is called the sliding plate relay, and have a lot of fun with this. If you want to make this a little less challenging, you can always bring the lines closer so that you don't go as far. And of course, if you want to make it more challenging, make the lines further and further away. Okay? But thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys Ed Home.